Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Zoho Forms with a Zoho People. As you can see here, I have a Zoho Flow opened. Why? So we'll need Zoho Flow to connect these two, Zoho People and Zoho Forms. Okay. In here, just click on Create Flow. Okay. Give it a name. For example, People X Forms. Okay. Choose folder. In the description, create. Wait for it to load. And then once done, once you're in here, just click on Configure. Now in here, just got to find Zoho Forms. Okay, you can use the search bar right here. Type down Zoho Forms. There you go. Just click on it. Hit on Next. And just select the new version if you want to. Hit on Next. And then in here, what you'll do is just go ahead to connect one of your Zoho Forms. Okay, so what you'll do is just click on Connect right here and give it a name. Zoho X People again. Authorize. And there'll be a pop-up right here. Just click on Accept. Wait for it. And then once done, all you need to do is just go ahead and select one of your forms. Okay. Once a form is selected, just click on Done. There you go. And then after that, let's just go ahead and add in an action. Okay. Go ahead and find Zoho People right here. Okay. Click on a drop down. And just select one action event. For example, add employee. Okay, just drag and drop like so. Now just go ahead and connect your Zoho People account in here. Connection name, just name it whatever you want. For example, People X Forms. Authorize. Okay. Allow. Accept. There you go. And do not forget to fill in these required fields. Employee ID, name, something like that, hit on Done. And after that, all you need to do next is just enable your flow. Okay, it says here, awesome, this flow has been activated or switched on. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and test it out and debug. There you go. That is it. That is how you connect to Zoho Forms with Zoho People. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.